Hi, welcome to Parrot and Wolf. Today we're going to talk about participles in English. Participles give more information about a subject or an object in a sentence, and that's it. That's all they are. Nice and simple. Native speakers use participles a lot when speaking and writing, both formally and informally. But again, don't worry, they become easy to use after a little practice. There are two types of participles: present participles, which is the ing form like doing, and past participles like done. Now, to understand how to use them, let's look at the ing form first. I eat cornflakes. It is enjoyable. These are simple sentences and they show a general fact. There's no more information here. The sentences follow the normal structure subject, verb, object, but we can join them by using the ing form. Eating cornflakes is enjoyable. The ing form changes the verb into the subject. The action is now the topic or subject of the sentence. This is a very powerful language technique, and we can use it to make much longer, more interesting sentences. For example, eating cornflakes is a great way to start the day. Eating cornflakes is necessary for a balanced diet. Eating cornflakes is the cornerstone of a nutritious breakfast and enjoyed by millions of people every day. In the last example, the sentence is much longer and is therefore more interesting because you're giving a lot of information in a short time. Let's look at another example. I listen to people speaking English. It helps me to learn the language quickly. With the ing form, listening to people speaking English helps me to learn the language quickly. We make the whole first sentence the subject by using the ing form, so we don't need the it from the second sentence. We just throw it away. We can also do something similar with the past participle form. Have a look at this. The book has really helped with my school report. It is written about the American Civil War in 1861. Now we have two sentences. One of them is a passive sentence using the past participle. We can make one sentence using the past participle written. The book written about the American Civil War in 1861 has really helped with my school report. Notice the verb be is removed when we move the past participle. This time the whole second sentence and the book is the subject. But be careful. If you include the verb be, then it's not the same sentence and you must use a conjunction and to join the two sentences. The book is written about the American Civil War in 1861 and has really helped with my school report. Okay, so we can make longer sentences and add information using the ing and past participle forms. But what else can we do? Eating cornflakes, I realized I had run out of milk. This sentence is different from the other ing form because we have a comma and a subject. This means the ing form describes the subject I. It's a way of saying when or because. The first part is the cause and the second part is the result. Other examples are waiting for the bus, I bumped into Niall, and working out at the gym, I pulled my leg muscle. Remember, the focus is on the action when you use the ing form. Now we can do the same with past participles. Known throughout the world, he is easily recognizable, and eaten every day, spaghetti is easy to cook and really tasty. You can check these by making a passive sentence from the first part again. For example, in the first sentence, he is known throughout the world, he is easily recognizable. They both work, so the original sentence is correct. Got it? So we can also describe subjects with the ing form and past participles. We have one more to look at. Having eaten cornflakes, I realized I had run out of milk. This sentence is similar to the other ing form we saw earlier. It describes the subject I in the same way, but this time the action is past tense. Other examples are, having known for some time, I wasn't surprised, and having been released from captivity, the animals were happy. So having plus past participle is used for past actions. Remember, participles are very powerful language tools and can open up a whole new world of language for you. My advice is to concentrate on the forms in this video and you'll be on the road to full and meaningful expression. So to summarize, participles can join two sentences together. Participles can be used to change an action into the subject. Participles can describe subjects, and participles can describe active or passive actions and states. To find out more about learning English for Cambridge and IELTS exams, business and work, or general conversation, visit ParrotandWolf.com.